Welcome back to Just Cuz Fishing. I'm Jordan and this is...
I'm Keanu, and we're gonna do some micro creek fishing today.
Yeah, and you boys get to see us do some creek fishing for the first time.
In a long time, almost a year actually. Almost a year since we put out a video, but today here, we're gonna get it.
We're back at it. So as we said, we're on a little bit of a creek fishing adventure for today. All we're using is just a little Lindy rig with a worm and a single weight. This is one of our favorite spots to just sit and relax, honestly.
It's a little deeper than normal. Well, a lot deeper than normal.
Oh! Oh! Creek chub! Creek chub!
Dang.
Oh! I caught my first
Shiner.
fish of the day. It's a pretty decent looking shiner. We're gonna get him home now. See you later, guy. Gotta visit Soda Pop's old worm farm. Oh wow, there's a big fat guy. He should serve me well. Hey, you ready to catch me a fishy fish? Hey, don't run away. So basically the gig with this is it's just a small sinker, comes up to a float, and then just a hook. Throw a piece of worm on it, the sinker hits the bottom, the float lifts the hook up, the fish eat it. That's pretty much that. So far we have 2 fish. I caught a shiner, Soda Pop caught a creek chub.
2 fish, 2 species.
2 on the board. But we promise you guys that's not all. Well, that was a close one. Alright guys, so this is actually pretty slow today. Normally it's a lot quicker, but I think we're gonna probably pack up here, give her a few more casts, and then pack up here and head to the next spot. We got a couple other good spots along the creek here. So I just wanted to touch base a little bit on why we haven't been making videos here. Basically, last year we came into a bit of an issue with the computer that I used to edit the videos, and I was unable to get any of our footage back. We lost our intro, we lost our outro, I lost the account information. Really big rookie mistakes, and the computer crashed. So it took me a couple months to get the parts together to fix it. But we're back, man, and expect a lot more videos out of us. And
Stronger than ever. Stronger than ever.
Back and better than ever, baby.
Just
We even got a new outro that you guys are gonna see if you stick around to the end of the video. But yeah, we're gonna get heading on to the next spot here. This one's not doing us too well, so peace.
All right. So we're on our way to our new spot right now to try to catch some more creek chubs and hopefully maybe a different species, but we don't know. Ain't gonna say it unless we catch it. So see you at the new spot. Glad to be back, guys. I am ready to pound out some videos for you guys and girls and kids, everybody. I can't wait.
Everybody's welcome.
Yep.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit
Like
the bell.
our Facebook page, Just Cuz Fishing on Facebook.
Love it.
You know, guys, we really like to see the fish that you guys catch too. So go like our Facebook page and post pictures of your biggest catch there.
Yeah, that'd be really,
We'd really
cool.
like to build the community.
That'd be cool.
It would just be nice to see what people catch, because, you know, I like to think we catch some pretty big fish, but I also want to see what our followers catch.
And everybody says that we catch
Fishing is a
really,
passion.
really big smallies. And
Show us your biggest smallie, show us your biggest muskie, all of them. I want to see them all.
that crick looked good.
Really good.
Yeah, it's like a pool of floodedness of awesomeness. Because usually there's grass there.
Wow, I don't think I've seen it before. Let's go check it out. This is what it's all about. We just seen a creek on the side of the road. We're gonna whip around in this person's driveway here.
Just go fishing, baby! Well, I'll show you this creek. Oh, spider web. Oh, this is what we've seen, guys. This is wet. Oh.
Soda Pop just ventured off into the woods. I think he found, or he hears a waterfall. So he's going to go check that out. Boy, this spot sure looks good, doesn't it? We're gonna hope to catch some micro fish out of here. Just gotta navigate the path down to here. Try and fish around these trees. Looks like someone's been here recently. Let's get a cast off into here. Would you look at that, guys? Holy crap, is that a big chub? Holy shite. That's a personal best. Whew, excuse my language. Wow. Is that ever monstrous? Take a look at that, guys. That's got to be all 8 or 9 inches right there. Wow. This is what I want to be catching. This right here. Go and give this guy a good, healthy recovery. This is what it's all about, guys. Even the little fish count. Even the little fish count.
Heck yeah, man. Well, that's what I spotted, guys. Woo!
I just had something else big on there.
These are good size. Look
They're
at that.
huge
Nice
here.
cheek creek chub.
Mine was about this big around.
Nice. Took my worm already. Nice. So happy to be pounding out videos for you guys. Getting bites. Ooh.
Yeah, I was telling the people just about how nice it is creek fishing.
It's peaceful.
Exactly what I said. Very peaceful.
This is what we're talking about, boys. Wow, it's another really long guy. That would be another creek chub. Let him go back to his little fishy family. Yeah. Micro fishing, baby. Back to back to back to back. And it's just so peaceful. And some of the streams you find are like just gorgeous. Downright gorgeous. Did you catch a little creek chub?
Mm-hmm.
Look at him, he's so cute. Well, heck, maybe we caught them all.
Probably did.
Now this, I will admit, is probably one of the worst times that you can fish a creek, is in the middle of the day.
For what we're fishing for.
Well, true,
For
but
bass fishing or something, it would be a good time.
I meant for the micro fishing aspect. Look at that chunky boy. Big old chunker. A slam dunker.
What kind?
I don't know.
Oh, I got a bite. Oh no. Missed him.
Really skinny. Skinny and small. And another excellent tip for you guys is if you're fishing on something like this and it dumps out into anywhere with bass or anything like that, as long as you catch them out of the same segment of water, at least in Wisconsin, you can use them as bait. And this is a messed up Lindy rig.
Ooh.
Well, all right, buddy. What do you say we cut it here and go do some bass fishing?
Let's go do some bass fishing.
All right, everybody. It was nice seeing you again.
Subscribe, hit that bell for all you new watchers.
Make sure to leave a like and a comment. We love to hear feedback from our fans. Peace. Just 'cause fishing.